Hello guys, ito may delivery naman tayo para dito sa mall, coffee shop sa mall. Yan, samahan nyo ako guys. Tara, let's go! Ayan, ihatid natin to guys. Dito sa mall. Ito daw ay malapit sa Samsung. Samsung sa second floor to na mall. Medyo maaga pa tayo kaya yung mall nagbubukas pa lang. RNB Samsung, tama yun, yung Samsung, sa likod ng Samsung. So mag-open pa lang yung Samsung kasi alas 9 pa lang dito ng umaga, mag 9:30 ng umaga. So wala pang ganong bukas, wala pang ganong tao. Ayan, katabi ng Samsung ang Espresso Lab. May mga stall dito sa gitna. Espresso Lab. Ito yung customer natin. Espresso Lab. So, ito yung store nila. May entrance din dito yung ate. Dito yung Marriott Marquez. May entrance din sila dito. Ayan. May beauty box. Kung gusto mong ka-parlor, gusto mo ng high class na hotel to, Marriott Marquez. Dito tayo sa store nila. Buksan natin. Yeah. Oh, pare, how are you? Ayan. Nandito yung delivery area natin. So, pumasok tayo. Hintayin natin yung magre-receive. Dito natin hintayin yung magre-receive si ate. Meron dito yung service dito sa loob ng mall. Yung Marriott. Pag gagala ka, chargeable siya. Ayan, oh. Parang yung Bajaj. Ang ganda niya. Service ng hotel. Marriott Marquez Hotel. Tapos nandoon, no, ating guys. Sino kayo magre-receive? Yan yung Marriott. Samico. Saka Espresso Lab. De facto. Follow your heart to the city center, Doha. Ayan. Follow your heart. Diba? Dito tayo. Ito na beauty box sa mga babae, nagpapasalon, papagupit, papamanicure, pedicure, pa-spa, lahat nandiyan. Ay, nako. Oh, sir. How are you? Fine, fine. I think there's some other stuff is coming. Guys, ito yung tinatawag na coffee with love. Ayan, may heart pa si ate. Binigyan tayo ng coffee. Wow! Yummy! Ito yung mga cake. Bigyan tayo ni ate ng kape. Ayan. Bibigyan tayo ni ate ng kape. Ito guys, nabigyan tayo ng kape ni ate. Dito tayo sa Sima Isma Wokod Station. Ayan, may deliver tayo rito. Ayun yung pangalan niya sa gilid, oh. Sima Isma Wokod Station. Ayan. Nakalagay dyan sa dingding, Wokod Petrol Station number 33. Meron din sila ritong mga coffee shop. Ayan, mayroong restaurant, coffee shop, laundry, pharmacy. Ayan, sa likod. Yung harap, gasoline. Tsaka grocery, mayroong grocery. Di-deliver tayo sa grocery. Ito yung delivery area nila. So, paparada tayo rito. Paparada tayo ng isang malupit na parada. Ayan. So, ito yung Sima Isma. Grocery, coffee shop, restaurant, pharmacy, saka dito tayo sa likod. Ito yung grocery ng Wokod. Itong gasolinahan. Sima Isma tayo. So ito yung kalabaw natin, mga kaliber. Pasok tayo rito dahil nandito yung deliver natin. Tingnan natin yung ating stock. Tingnan natin yung ating stock kung meron pa o wala na. Hi pare, how are you? Good morning.
You selling soap?
See, soap? No. Yeah.
Which one?
But it's different. Our company.
Can I see that one?
But different.
Before you give me one soap.
Yeah, I give
Someone
you.
you
No,
talked
I
to,
don't
he
have
said-
drink.
He said
No,
very
babe.
good soap. I need more.
Other driver bring that one. Me, I focus for water.
He need that one. So he
But I
asked
have
him,
a company selling all kinds of.
he said skin that one very good.
You're good for your skin.
You have that soap now?
I have. I think I have in my room. Next time I will give you. I will bring.
Which company that one?
Al Mukhtar. It's the same company, same one owner. What is that expired? Boda expired?
Yeah. Only one over.
Yeah. It doesn't what date? Okay. This one? 24.
Only for one.
Okay, they make the...
Already 1 month.
No, I don't have now like this. Delivery now, all problem.
What you do?
I have only small. How many piece? You drink expired water?
Huh?
You drink expired water? No.
See? Which one?
This one, you drink or no? You drink expired water or no?
After try?
Huh?
After problem?
No, no problem.
He said no.
Expert tayo.
Because I don't have